So I accidentally bought this monster truck in a 143 scale Kings of Crunch, I have to say, from the brand Greenlight. I had it in my shopping basket. It was with a discount because there is a crack dent in the package. And I forgot about it, and then I placed another order, and boom, this arrived in a box. Well, €14.99 for a 143 monster truck from Greenlight is not a bad price. Let's have a quick look at the box first. So here we got some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. We can see Greenlight Collectibles is active on social media. Barcode, article number, official licensed products, and you can check with the QR code. Contains one diecast vehicle, yeah. And, oh, it's a limited edition. That is what we like. Okay, let's open it up. Need a knife. Whoa. Comes in a muddy display case. Looks pretty cool, by the way. I like that. Feels very heavy. Exterminator. Very good big rolling wheels. Hard rubber, but it is rubber. Nice white rims. There's no opening part. You would expect an opening part with a 143 scale monster truck. It was cool when there was an opening hood with some details from the engine, in my opinion. Paint looks good. Some advertising here on the side. Yeah, this is all made out of metal, this. That's plastic. Let's have a look at the interior. Interior, pretty basic for a 143. Looks okay, but it was cool if it had some colored details on it with stickers. Nowadays that's possible. And a plastic base, 475. Yeah, nice model. Okay, let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. See you later. Bye.